The Pixel 7 comes with 6.3-inch OLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate and Google Tensor G2 processor. Specs also include 4,355 mAh battery, dual camera on the back with 50MP main sensor and 10.8MP front selfie camera. Refresh rate 90 Hz. Peak brightness 140 nits. Scratch-resistant glass. Google Tensor G2 5nm. RAM 8GB LPDDR5. Internal storage 1 to 8GB UFS 3.1. Capacity 4355 mAh. OS Android 13. Fast charging 20 watt. Rear dual camera. Main camera 50 megapixels. Second camera 12 megapixels, ultra wide, recording 4K UHD 60fps. Full HD 60fps. Biometrics in screen fingerprint. Colors lemongrass, snow, obsidian. Keys right volume control, lock or unlock. Headphones no 3.5mm jack. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi direct hotspot. USB 3.2.